I just got this LitONES Video Conference Light. Let's check it out. You just pull this part and then you can slip your phone inside. And I really like that you can adjust the height. You could just place this on a table and you could be standing if you want to record that way, or if you're just sitting. I adjusted the height as high as it can get, and the base is very, very sturdy. So you don't need to worry about this toppling over. This is right now without the light being turned on. I like this one, very natural. There we go. And it has 3 settings. Let's try out the different settings. Daylight, warm, and this is the full power, which I prefer this one. You can also switch the brightness, really bright. See how bright it's getting? And you can go lower with the minus. And let's go up a little bit with the brightness. From the side, it's nice too. It's very natural. I like it. Peace.